So, dear students, the topic is capacitor and capacitance. Now, first of all, question arises: what is capacitance? Sorry, what is capacitor? A capacitor is an arrangement of two conductors separated by an insulating medium that is used to store electric charge and electric energy. Okay, what is capacitor? A capacitor is a system of two conductors separated by an insulated medium. And what capacitor do? Capacitor store electric charge and electric energy. This is a simple capacitor. Very, very simple capacitor. You might have been seen in various electronic circuits. So this is a simple capacitor. This is a simple capacitor. This is also a simple capacitor. Now, capacitor is also used in electric fans to रेगुलेट इट्स पावर. बिजली के पंखे में भी करंट को रेगुलेट करने के लिए कैपेसिटर का यूज किया जाता है. कंडेंसर इज एन ओल्ड नेम ऑफ कैपेसिटर. पहले हम लोग कैपेसिटर को कंडेंसर के नाम से जानते थे, लेकिन अब हम लोग कंडेंसर को कैपेसिटर कहते हैं. तो कैपेसिटर क्या है? ए सिस्टम ऑफ टू कंडक्टर सेपरेटेड बाय इंसुलेटिंग मीडियम. And what capacitor do? Capacitor store electric charge as well as electric energy in that. Now, what is the principle of capacitor? What is principle of capacitor? See, suppose there is a positively charged metal plate. It is a positively charged metal plate A, and near that an uncharged metal plate B is being brought. ये क्या है बच्चों? पॉजिटिवली चार्ज मेटल प्लेट है और से करीब हम एक अनचार्ज मेटल प्लेट को ला रहे हैं. तो मतलब इनिशियली बी इज अनचार्ज प्लेट. व्हाट विल हैपन? क्या होगा? बाय इंडक्शन द क्लोजर फेस ऑफ बी विल एक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज. इंडक्शन अब यहां पॉजिटिव है तो यहां नेगेटिव आएगा, एंड फार्दर फेस ऑफ बी विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज बाय इंडक्शन. तो इंडक्शन के द्वारा क्या होगा कि जो बी के नजदीक वाली जो प्लेट है वो नेगेटिव चार्ज पा जाएगी, और बी प्लेट के बगल वाला जो फेस है, फार्दर फेस, विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. मींस द क्लोजर फेस ऑफ बी विल एक्वायर नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड फार्दर फेस ऑफ बी विल एक्वायर पॉजिटिव चार्ज ड्यू टू इंडक्शन. When an uncharged metal plate B is brought near a charged metal plate A. Now, what will happen here? The closer face of plate B will tend to reduce the potential of A, and farther face of B will try to increase the potential of A. But since negatively charged face of B is closer to A, therefore the net effect will be the electric potential of conductor A will decrease. So considerably its capacitance will increase. So what will happen here? The capacitance of plate A will increase and potential of plate A is decreased when an insulating metal plate which is uncharged is brought near plate. Now in next, what will happen when plate B is connected to earth? Plate B is connected to earth. Now positive charge of plate B will be neutralized. Why? Because electron from earth will neutralize this positive charge by coming over the plate B. क्या होगा? यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन आएंगे और यहाँ पर जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को क्या करेंगे? न्यूट्रलाइज कर देंगे. न्यूट्रलाइज कर देंगे। सो हियर द पोटेंशियल ऑफ ए विल फर्दर इंक्रीज। यहाँ पर बच्चों क्या हो रहा है, ए का पोटेंशियल कम हो रहा है, ठीक है। ए का पोटेंशियल, क्योंकि निगेटिव चार्ज क्या है, ए का पोटेंशियल बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्लेट बी का प्लेट बी का पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्लेट ए के पोटेंशियल को बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन प्लेट बी का नेगेटिव चार्ज प्लेट ए के पोटेंशियल को घटाने की कोशिश कर रहा है ना। तो लेकिन नेगेटिव चार्ज फेज ए के नजदीक है, इसलिए ए का पोटेंशियल क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, इससे कैपेसिटेंस बढ़ जाएगा। और यहाँ क्या होगा, अब यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज फेज रह ही नहीं गया, ओनली नेगेटिव चार्ज फेज इज देयर, सो इट्स पोटेंशियल will decrease further. Potential of A will decrease further and its capacitance will increase. So how capacitance of conductor can be increased? A capacitance of conductor can be increased by placing it near an earth connected metal plate. By when an earth connected metal plate is brought near a charged conductor, then capacitance of conductor will increase. So in this way, the system of these two conductors is called capacitor. Now C is equal to Q upon V. What is C here? C is the capacitance of conductor. Capacitance C, which is a constant, which is the constant of proportionality for capacitor. Q is the charge supplied on either conductor. Actually, in real capacitor, two conductors are there. These two conductors are separated by insulating medium. If one conductor has acquired plus Q charge, the other conductor will acquire minus Q charge. So the net charge of capacitor is 0. So charge on capacitor is said to be charge on either of conductor. Charge on either of conductor. C is equal to Q by V. Now a farad. Farad is what? Farad is SI unit of capacitance. And 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 volt. Means if 1 coulomb charge is transferred from one conductor to another by applying potential difference of 1 volt across the conductors. When 1 volt potential difference is applied across the conductor and 1 coulomb is charge is transferred from one plate to another, in that case the capacitance of capacitor will be 1 farad. But farad is a big unit. Other smaller units of capacitance are microfarad and picofarad. 1 microfarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 farad and 1 picofarad will be equal to 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So in this lecture, I have tried my best to explain you about capacitor, principle of capacitor and capacitance. Further, capacitance of capacitor depends only on its geometric configuration like plate area, plate separation and nature of plate. Only on these factors the capacitance of capacitor depends. By this formula we measure the capacitance of capacitor. So this is all about capacitance and capacitor. Capacitor and capacitor. Always remember here, this is uncharged plate, this is charged plate. And uncharged plate, this uncharged plate brought near a charged plate, then closer face of B will acquire negative charge, farther face of B will acquire positive charge. Negative charge will try to reduce the potential of A and positive charge of B will try to increase the potential of A. But since negative charge face is closer to A, therefore the net potential of A will decrease. So capacitance will increase. Capacitance will increase. And here no positive plate is there, no positive phase is there, only negative phase is there, so its capacitance will reduce further. Its potential will reduce further, so its capacitance will increase. So here it is clear that if potential difference between plate will decrease, capacitance will increase. So this is all about capacitance of capacitor. So dear student, I hope that this topic will be clear to all of you.